Hi, Lauren and Katie and Cara and whoever else might be listening to lend me an ear and give me some help. I am in my shell and I have created this orientation module to correspond with my YouTube video that says right now you're in the orientation module. So that's good. Um, and I can't figure out how to get the video in here. And I'm at the same place in the DE certification program, and maybe I just need to go a little further to figure out how to do this. But I've moved on, and then I come back and move on and come back, and it's not making sense. Let me show you what I'm doing. I go to my video, oops, and I do share, and then I copy the link, and then I come back to this, and then I try to paste it in, and there's no paste option. So then I choose files, and the YouTube link obviously isn't in there. Or maybe it is, and I just can't find it. I'm really bad at this. So then I go over here. Maybe it's here. No, it's not there. Oh, maybe it was there. Actually, I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, I'm stuck. Can someone lend a hand? Thank you so much.